What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to transfer Sweatcoin to Sweat Wallet. So, if you're looking to transfer your Sweatcoin to Sweat Wallet here, there are going to be a few things that you need to understand here. Now, the thing with Sweatcoin and Sweat Wallet here, in order for you to make sure that you are able to transfer your funds or use your funds in Sweat Wallet, you need to connect your two accounts. So typically speaking, if like for example, if you create your Sweatcoin account via Google, you need to make sure that you are also logging in into your Google account in your Sweat Wallet here. So in this case, just an idea, how do you guarantee that? How do you know? So the best thing or best way here to know that your account is properly set up is typically when you open up the Sweat Wallet app here. As you can see, this Sweatcoin app here at the top right, you should be able to see your balance. Just go ahead and click on it. So currently, what we need to do is you want to go and click on the Sweat crypto or currency or token here. So just below your current balance right now. So you go and click on Sweat here, and it should open up Sweat Wallet, which in this case you should be able to see your current balance. Now, in here, if you are able to open up Sweat Wallet here, then most likely you've already successfully connected your account. But just in case, you could actually basically log in or log out from your Sweat Wallet account here and basically access the correct account, just in case that you haven't connected or you're not using the correct account here. So again, if you're using the same email or Google account, it should be all right. But if you're using a different one, just make sure they're using the same login information for both Sweatcoin and Sweat Wallet. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.